now then we can go to the error detection part. अब here I have marked some of the sentences, but let me tell you, all are not following subject verb agreement का ही rule, ठीक है? कुछ में preposition गलत है, कुछ में adverbs गलत है, so you have to keep everything in mind. Just don't think कि इसी का rule हमेशा आएगा. Okay, only some are there which are not following subject verb agreement. Exam में तो तुम सही लिखोगे because you have already marked 4 as wrong. Number 4 is the mistaken part. Yes, but where is the mistake? Have, no. Someone मैंने अभी बोला ना, someone, somebody, distributive adjective है, so they are always considered singular. तो वो तो plural, singular has ठीक ही था, but still there is a mistake. No, wait 1 minute. With reached ना, reached, entered, इन सब verb के साथ preposition नहीं भी होगा तो भी चलेगा. Like I entered the house, I entered to the house की जरूरत नहीं है. I reached the spot, it's correct. अब reach to the spot वो भी correct है. So reach does not require preposition always. So where is the mistake?
Ma'am, has will not come.
Yes, has will not come. तो क्या आएगा? ये बोलो. Someone reached the spot. Very good. It will be had. एकदम. Someone had reached the spot. Now why? Why had? इसमें has नहीं होगा, had होगा. Past perfect tense. Exactly. Right. It is past perfect tense. अब you can say that मैम ये तो simple past भी होगा तो भी correct ही होता, तो फिर क्यों गलत में? जैसे कि I think somebody said कि कुछ होगा ही नहीं इसमें. फिर you were कीर्ति ना? हाँ, कीर्ति were saying ना कि someone already reached the spot. Simple past इसमें नहीं होगा. It has to be past perfect tense only. क्यों? क्योंकि those who were there in my 10th class, you will remember I were talked about some before, after rule, है ना? कोई किसी को याद है? Of course no. I'll just revise once more. बोलो. Yes. बहुत हाथ क्यों उठाए? क्या सोच के? अच्छा ठीक है, no issues. हाँ, मतलब the reason was जो कि before, after मतलब जब two actions had happened in the past. Now in between these two, one is action 1 जो कि पहले हुआ था, past में जो पहले हुआ था, और action 2 की जो बाद में हुआ था. तो यहाँ पर there are two actions. एक है वो ऊपर पहुंचा, ये action पहले हो चुका था, कोई ऑलरेडी पहुंच चुका था, ये भी पहले हो चुका था. Now इन दोनों में से कौन पहले हुआ था? उसके पहुंचने से पहले ऑलरेडी somebody was there. तो ये हो गया action 1 और वो जो पहुंचा वो हो गया action 2. तो action 1 के साथ always past perfect tense आएगा and action 2 के साथ it is already in simple past tense. हमेशा simple past tense होगा. तो ये पार्ट तो सही है because ये simple past में ही है. But the action which had happened before this action, that is this, वो है या present का तो question है ही नहीं, present तो होगा ही नहीं. और अगर तुम बोलो कि सिर्फ did I do something? Forget it. I can write though. No. How do I undo this? हाँ, but now what to do? नहीं, exit तो what? अच्छा, I think now हाँ, it's fine. Okay, ठीक है. So has reached the spot. So this is that rule. Present, past. Okay, good. Whoever answered. Okay, next one. ये तो everybody will be able to answer because right now I have discussed this question. हाँ, because I had said neither nor. Whenever it is there, even though there are two subjects, प्रणय है, उसकी wife, both are there, but still we will consider it. हाँ, जो कि close है इसके wife, उसके अनुसार the verb will be put. तो अगर यहाँ पर इसके neither प्रणय nor his friends होता तो verb was correct. तो फिर no error होता, है ना? Right, good. Okay, next one. Tell me this. The man who I often mentioned is one who possesses my esteem. Where is the error part in the sentence?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, mentioned will not come, mentioned will come.
who I have often mentioned. यहाँ पर have है. How can I use mention? Have is perfect tense, no? So with have, which form of the verb should I use? V3. So mention, so it's correct. I have mentioned, so it is correct. Present perfect tense. Number 4, okay. What will it be? I didn't understand. फिर से बोलो. You mean this is correct or wrong? Wrong. क्यों? तो possess ही तो है. P-O-double-S, possess में 4 S's by the way. हाँ, this is another confusion. This is in present form only. There is nothing. I have not added anything. But I must say again, she is correct. मतलब इसको answer इसका सही आएगा, लेकिन expansion part में you'll be stuck. Your answer is correct. Number 4 is wrong, and this part possess is only wrong. Exactly. What is the rule in tense? Which rule is it we are applying here of tense? Simple present tense है ना, और who तो यहाँ पर singular person है ना, जिसका मैंने mention किया है, तो एक ही person का have mentioned, it is the man, singular. तो singular है तो word के साथ क्या add होगा? Es, possesses, right? Yeah, you are correct, but the explanation also, you have to be confident. Okay, good try. I think you can, it's better if you write the sentence, because the possess wala word is very confusing. Possession, there are 4 S. अच्छा, commitment का spelling, can anyone tell me correct? C-O-M-M-I-T-M-E-N-T. No. When you are saying committee, then it is double M, double T, double E. But when I am saying commitment, single T. हाँ, double M तो है. Oh, you said single T. Oh, I heard double T. Sorry. Then it is correct. हाँ, then it is correct. But committee, double M, double T, double E. अच्छा, tell me the spelling of occasion. O-C-C-A-S-S-I-O-N. Wrong. Double C double S. तुम फिर से बोलो, क्या बोले? O-double-C-A-double-S-I-O-N. That is wrong. Single S. No, wrong. Uff. Single C. Yes. क्या तुक्का मारने से नहीं होगा. It is occasion. Yes. मतलब it depends on your pronunciation. तुम अगर occasion बोलोगे, it's wrong spelling तुम लिखोगे. The pronunciation should be occasion. इसमें slight होगा, इसमें कोई stress नहीं होगा. Stress होगा इसमें, occasion. So C एक ही है, S double है. These are very mistake prone spelling. Professor? P-R-O-F-E-S-S-O-R. Yes, good. एक ही F है लेकिन S double है. Good, okay. Fine, next one. Did the ulta? Oh no. Yes, right, sorry. Occasion, na? Acha, occasion we say like that. That is why, see, I ticked also here, but I explained wrong. Yes, thank you. Occasion, double C, A case. Ha, right. I hope so. Let me check. I still have question of doubt. Ha, exactly. Oh God, this spelling. Ha, right. I was wrong. Sorry. Double C A S I O. So occasion it is. मतलब इसमें कोई stress होगा ही नहीं. हाँ, right. Okay, fine. Next sentence. बहुत ही easy है ये तो. 4. Okay, again she is correct. Fine. बोलो. एक minute. Just a second. Yes, you said. Cannot, can't are same. She is correct, but she is going to crack the exam. Yes, online. Who was going to say? हाँ, बोलो. Vishnu. हाँ.
मैम sounds में sound होगा.
No, it can be considered as plural. There are a lot of sounds I am getting. It is correct. By the way, your name is not Vishnu, I am sure. What is your name? नेहा. तो ये विष्णु क्यों लिखे हो? Okay, नेहा. अच्छा. Okay. नेहा. Fine. That is what I am wondering. Why the voice is coming female voice? Okay. No issues. चलो, बोलो. So, Miss Correct, tell me. Explanation क्या है? Why is it wrong? हाँ, बोलो. क्या? No, people itself is plural. मतलब you are saying it will be can't. C-A-N''T. So it's the same thing. Can't and cannot. Researchers have demonstrated that pigeons can see light waves that people cannot see and can detect sounds easily. बहुत ही easy है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा easy है. No, they can detect sounds. अरे तुम theory कैसे change कर सकते हो? You have to only see the grammar. Pigeons can actually detect. Not only pigeons, I think all the animals can detect much more than humans can. बहुत easy है. I don't know what are you इतना सर मत फोड़ो, बहुत easy है. It's just look at it and you'll get. Absolutely. Comma will not come. Why? बोलो why, Diksha? हाँ, and is a conjunction. My goodness. And is a conjunction before which we cannot add comma. My mother and I were going shopping. So my mother, comma and I, that is wrong. And तो उसका काम ही तो है दोनों को जोड़ना, है ना? इतना देर लगा दिया. Okay, very good. And also in this I remembered one more thing. Whenever you are saying a sentence like कि मैं मेरी मम्मी गई थी या मेरे दोस्त और मैं गए थे. So when you are framing it in English, always other person will come first, then I will come. मतलब my friends and I. कभी I and my friends नहीं होता है. That is again wrong. Right? Always my friends and I. My mother and I went for shopping. So it's like that. Okay. I or क्यों? Both are totally different. मतलब I is that is in the subject form और me हो जाता है object form में. जब वो verb के पीछे चला गया then it is me. और verb के आगे है तो वो होगा I. Right? Subject and object. Okay. Next one. हाँ क्यों गलत क्यों है? क्या है इसमें गलत? No. Sale of the machinery is fine. 2. बोलो नंबर कौन सा है? No, this time he is wrong. बोलो. What will be the correct one? Yes, Neha, you want to say? 10. Yes. Continued till. Until नहीं होगा इसमें. Because any reason? Anybody can tell? Come up with the reason. हाँ till होगा एकदम correct answer. It will be continued till the last supply. But till last supply. Okay. लेकिन until क्यों नहीं होगा? Until में क्या गलती है? Until actually ना या मतलब until जब हम लोग बोलते हैं तो we give a condition. Until you come home, I will not go out. जब तक तुम ये condition है, तुम आओगे तो मैं निकलूंगी. It's like that. But there is no condition given. मतलब last supply तक हम लोग देते रहेंगे. तो till the last supply. It will be till. So it is a mistake in the preposition. Error is in the preposition part. Okay. देखो, there is one more sentence. I'm just saying it orally. It's given this way. He made a great fuss about having an investigation, comma, but it all ended with smoke. बहुत easy वाला mistake है यहाँ पर. I'll say once more. He made a great fuss. Fuss मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा एक छोटा चीज़ को लेके बहुत issue बनाना. That is called fuss. F-U-S-S. He made a great fuss about having an investigation, comma, but it all ended with smoke. कहाँ होगा end? An investigation. तो an, A-N है. तो that is correct. Comma में again there is a wrong. I have said an investigation, comma, but it all ended with smoke. But is again a conjunction. तो but जब लगा रहे हो, you don't need to put any comma. मतलब conjunction के साथ comma is wrong, right? So that is how it is done. So I am not writing this anymore. Okay. I am not one of those who believe everything I hear. हाँ. क्या? No. I am talking about myself only here. So I is correct. Exactly. It will be believes everything. Again, who है यहाँ पर third person singular number. So, but you can ask me that ma'am यहाँ पर तो subject is I. I के साथ तो we don't put as s. है ना? I do, I eat. लेकिन यहाँ पर I am not. Believes is not denoted with I. It is denoted with who. तो who जो हो गया that is the third person singular number. So in that case it will be again. Which tense is this? Simple present tense. Yes, right. Good. Okay, now I'll give one from subject verb agreement. This was also subject verb agreement. Please, those who are online, please let me know if you want to say something because I can see raise your hand, but there is no sound as such. So just let me know. No sooner the ad appeared in the newspaper than I rushed to the store to buy it. Where is the error part? Who? हाँ बोलो क्यों? Again she is correct, but explanation is wrong. ठीक है, it is correct. Number 1 is wrong, but why is it so? No sooner is fine. Soon होता है when we say as soon as, when we use it like that. लेकिन no जब दे रहे हो तो sooner is fine. Not where, say. Not sooner, no sooner. We don't say not sooner. That is correct. No sooner the ad appeared in the newspaper than I rushed to the store. अभी कुछ देर पहले हम लोग ऐसा ही किए हैं. And it is something related to tense. So now you think. Something related to tense. Think. We have just done it few times back. Don't tell me any student has come now. Oh my God, too early. अच्छा political science का. Oh अच्छा फिर तो ठीक है. Sit. बोलो. See, no sooner, again that rule. Before, after. Same rule. Past perfect tense it should be, no sooner had. Here it should be had. The ad appeared. Then I rushed to visit the store. That means again, see, two actions have happened at the same time. I mean in the past. एक तो ये ad आया newspaper में. Then I saw, no. तो मेरा देखना was the secondary action. Preliminary action was ad had appeared in the paper. So it will be past perfect tense. No sooner had the ad appeared than I rushed to the store. Right? तो ये है, this is the second action, मतलब action 2. और ये है मतलब appeared action number 1 जो कि पहले हुआ था, पहले न्यूज़पेपर में आया था. Right? So that's how it is wrong. Past perfect tense it should be. Where is the error? No one who has seen him can deny that he has aptitude for teaching. Number 4, yes, correct. But what is the mistake? See, this is a simple present tense. This is also present, so it is fine. It is a completely present tense that we are talking about. But number 4 is correct, wrong. What you said is right. So, spelling? No, spelling is correct. Here grammatical error is there. This should be D? No. Aptitude is noun. ये verb नहीं है. You cannot add D with it. It is a noun form, ना? हम लोग तो ed use करते हैं जो verb का past tense होता है उसका. But this is noun. अगेन तुम थ्योरी चेंज कर दे रहे हो. टीचिंग में ही उसका एप्टीट्यूड है, किसी और में नहीं है. तो ऑलमोस्ट नियर बट नॉट ऑफ. इन टीचिंग. फॉर नहीं होगी यहाँ पर. प्रीपोजिशन इज रॉन्ग. इट शुड बी इन टीचिंग. मतलब हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि टीचिंग में, उसके अंदर. तो दैट इज वाइट कॉल्ड इन. ओके, ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज. The crew were on board and soon they started preparing to meet the storm. मतलब it is talking about any ship journey, ship sailing. Where is the? बोलो. अच्छा, why? Reason?
Crew is bundle होता है ना, singular माना जाता है.
मतलब you mean collective noun? Collective noun. Absolutely, very good. Crew is here collective noun. जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि a committee of members. तो कमिटी में तो बहुत सारे मेंबर होते हैं, बट कमिटी को we consider as one singular. तो it is considered as singular. मतलब committee is formed, was formed ऐसे करके, है ना? So the crew singular है तो automatically it will be was on board. We have to consider it as singular number and not plural. Absolutely good. Why were you so hesitant? You were right.
I'm not getting that word collective.
Collective noun. अच्छा, हाँ, I know. This happens when you are associated with teaching, then you get these terms soon. But in school level, even I had also not read so much. Okay. Okay, we don't have much time. I'll think one or two sentences I'll give. Okay. No, proof of his innocence is correct. हाँ, मतलब तुम इसका हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करो, उसके इनोसेंस का प्रूफ, तो का ऑफ इज फाइन. चलो, टेल मी. नंबर 2. हाँ, why? Good. Yeah, this is very easy. Yes. Finally, the explanation is right. Good. बेचारी सब सही बोल रही है, but she cannot explain. Good. Word to word होता है, word by word नहीं होता. And also another thing is, हम लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं ना कि I don't know the हिंदी of it. मतलब बहुत दिन तक मैं ये प्रिपेयर कर रही हूँ, उसको how do you say? जैसे कि हम लोग बोलते हैं ना डे टू डे और डे आफ्टर डे, उसका हिंदी क्या होता है? हाँ, अच्छा, हाँ, यस, दिस दिन ब दिन मैं इसका प्रिपरेशन ले रही हूँ. तो समटाइम्स you'll often hear people are saying days after days, but that is wrong. मतलब जब भी डे आफ्टर डे you are saying, no, you have to consider it as singular. तो डे ही होगा दोनों में ही. You cannot write days and days. Okay, yes, so word to word, this is good. Also you tell me that since यहाँ पर किस तौर पे यूज हो रहा है, like which part of speech is this in the sentence? मतलब ये क्या है? एडजेक्टिव है, वर्ब है, प्रपोजिशन है, व्हाट इज इट? कंजंक्शन है, व्हाट इज इट? एडवर्ब? नो, सिंस इज नेवर एडवर्ब. ठीक है, पहले बोलो, वेयर इज द मिस्टेक? फर्स्ट यू से दैट. If you know the second answer which I asked कि ये कौन सा part of speech है, then only you will get the error. So that is the problem area. Anyone? Ritika, Neha would like to say? No. Should I say? As, where? I can conclude that, no, conclude that is already there, so you cannot add as. और as लगाओगे तो सेंटेंस का मीनिंग ही तो चेंज हो जाएगा. ओ, as वहाँ पर as ही never, यहाँ पर since as both are working as same, so there is no difference between these two here. First, let me tell you the answer of the second question I asked. Since is a conjunction here. Now, do you get any hints? Since is conjunction here. So something is put here extra which is not needed. Exactly. Again the comma is a trouble. क्योंकि conjunction का काम क्या होता है? What is the work of a conjunction? We join it, right? So I could not come to school since I was suffering from fever. As simple as that. मेरा fever था तो मैं नहीं आ पाई. तो since तो is a conjunction add कर रहा है दोनों को. तो why do I need to put comma here? कॉमा हम लोग कब यूज करते हैं? When do we use comma in a sentence? Can anyone tell me? Usually a comma is used in which cases? Exactly, when there are more than one subject or two, मतलब two or more subjects are there, we put comma to add them without using any conjunction. तो अगर conjunction है तो comma नहीं होगा, और अगर comma है तो conjunction नहीं होगा. So they are always anti to each other. तो here it's not needed because मतलब तुम अगर sentence को change कर दो, if you change the order, how it happens? I can conclude that he is a liar since he never kept his promise. तो sentence का order ये हो जाता है. तो you don't need any comma in that case, है ना? So yeah, that is the mistake here. Fine. So that's all. लेकिन error detection is actually including of everything. Preposition, article सब मिलाकर होता है. So we will do some more next day also. Okay. I had actually prepared a lot of sentences today to do, but we didn't get time, of course. So next day we will do more. Okay, practice this, whatever we have discussed today. So next day, hopefully, will be even better.